Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Here is where I make cheap, easy vegan meals to help you with your transition into a plant-based lifestyle or just for entertainment. Today I'm going to be making a butternut squash, which is why I dressed up like a pumpkin, because pumpkin is a squash. But let me show you. So the squash is actually already cooked. My mom cooked it earlier today, so I'm just making a recipe with it. I'll write down how to cook here, how long, and everything. So this is the cooked squash. It looks pretty good. It looks like she put oil on it and some pepper. Pasta sauce that I got from a farmer's market. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna make this like pasta and then put this on it, and I'm gonna cook something different with whatever's in my fridge for the other half. Okay, so for the other half, I'm going to be making just some veggies to grill and put on it. And so I peel off the outer layer, and then I have half an onion and another half of an onion, and I put them both face down so that they don't make my eyes burn. Sometimes I do this with goggles, so they're both face down, and then I'm gonna cut them in this direction and this direction. I always think of plaid, so but I keep them in this, well, I try to keep them in the same shape so that they all stay together, and then I flip the direction and I do the same thing. Oh my god, I can't see past this costume. I don't know if this is how you're supposed to cut tomato. And garlic. Ward off all the vampires. If you put them in a jar and then you shake it and they hit all the sides of the jar, then they end up with their layers coming off really easily. I just don't really feel like doing it right now. There's my garlic. And now I'm gonna take them all onto the stove and cook them. I wish I had spinach. I don't have spinach. So I sprayed my pan, and now I'm going to put onions on it. And you cook these until they're translucent. And you can put the garlic in there too. Anyways, there's the garlic. Let's pretend that these were just cooked. This is what it looks like when you take it out with a fork. It looks just like pasta. Really easy way to eat pasta without all of the carbs and almost no calories. I'm pretty sure these are like 30 calories per cup. They do have a different texture though. Don't expect to be eating pasta. You're gonna wanna keep your onions on medium heat while you're cooking them. Yeah. Oh my god, open. No. Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna run this under hot water because sometimes that loosens up the top. So this is the first side. I like to put vegan butter on mine and just mix that in for some flavor. You can also use olive oil. This looks so yummy. I'm gonna take this pasta sauce and put it on top. And then I have some vegan Parmesan. Done. That was so easy. I'm also gonna put butter on the other side just because I love vegan butter. This is the one I use. They have it at pretty much every grocery store. Yum. Now I'm gonna mix these guys into my butternut squash that has butter in it. And I'm gonna have to do that not holding the camera, so 1 second. So I just put the veggies in. I think I'm gonna add salt and pepper. And I'm gonna add some spices. So good. I really wish I had spinach, but I don't. Actually, this might not be bad. It's like garlic and salt. So I'm gonna use some vegan cheese. This is just some vegan cheese I have in my fridge. You can use any kind. And I know everybody hates Daiya, but Daiya has actually changed their recipe and it tastes a million times better. So I'm just gonna kind of put pieces on top and then I'm gonna microwave it. I definitely think this would be just as good if you put it back in the oven, but these were pre-made, so my oven isn't hot anymore. There we go. So I'm gonna stir this in a bit. The cheese looks pretty good though. And I'm gonna squeeze a little bit of lemon on it. Try not to get any seeds in there. I might. Ugh, of course I just shake a bunch of seeds in. And then I think maybe a little bit of hot sauce would be good. How delicious do these look? Yum. So I can't believe I did this whole thing in this outfit. Ah. This one's really good. It's like traditional pasta. Good. Okay, now I'll try the other one. Okay, I personally like this one better. I think better than the bagel seasoning, and the onions really complement each other because I'm pretty sure everything bagels have onions on them, but if they don't, onion bagels are really good. I get them from this place called Kettleman's. That's really good. And vegan cheeses always taste better when they're mixed into stuff because you're not just focusing on the one flavor. You can have a bunch of different flavors to complement it. But this is so good. I definitely think you should try this one at home and maybe add mushrooms or spinach in while you're cooking the onions. I don't know if you guys have seen this before. I got it on Amazon. I'll link it below. It's miso soup. I'm gonna go watch a Halloween movie with my family and make some miso soup. I'll show you guys how to make it. Oh, I was gonna put this in a cup. One sec. I was gonna make tea, but I decided I wanted miso soup instead. So basically all I need to do is just open up a packet of miso and then the packet of the flavors. There's different flavors. Some of them have tofu and some of them don't, but I prefer the ones that do have tofu. Am I in the center? And my family's all outside watching a movie on the projector, a Halloween movie, so I'm gonna go join them. I'm late. So it looks like this. It looks like someone pooped in my cup. And then I take this and I dump it in as well. This looks like it's like a seaweed flavor. Sprinkle. Okay, get out. You know what? I think because I was wearing that costume all day, that's what made them want to watch a Halloween movie. So I feel like I've inspired somebody. I'm gonna pour some hot water in there. Doesn't that look delicious? I don't have a spoon here, but I do have a knife. Very Halloween-y. Time to go watch a movie. Monster House. Okay, I'm back because I'm watching Monster House and I finished my miso soup and I'm still hungry. I probably shouldn't be having this. So I have a vegan hot chocolate. Yeah. So it's peppermint hot chocolate. And then I also grabbed some chickpeas. Hot chocolate. Ooh. This is a lot of hot chocolate mix for this one cup. YOLO. Whatever, I'm probably gonna work out tonight anyways. I think chocolate has caffeine. Also, I burned myself earlier and it really hurts. These are good. These are chickpeas and they're tasted like sweet chili. They don't really taste like sweet chili, but they're good to snack on. I feel like a quarter of my diet is straight chickpeas. Hummus, chickpeas, roasted chickpeas. Ow, oh. There's my hot chocolate. I know I should be eating healthier, but I honestly just can't. Oh my God. I honestly just kind of eat whatever I want and then work out most days. Like you can't see it. It doesn't look burned, I don't think. Oh, a little bit. It's probably too hot. Ah, it tastes good. Okay, gonna take this down. Hopefully it doesn't burn me. Look at the steam. Can you see it? Bye. Hopefully I don't come snack even more. Anyways, thanks so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked seeing me wearing a pumpkin costume and dressing up as a squash for you. So anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe. Let me know what recipe you would like to see me make next. And I'll see you next time. I post videos every Sunday. High five. Hi.